Welcome to Neurodivergent Life, Autistic Men 40 Plus Guide Summary. This guide for neurodivergent men focuses on tracking midlife hormones and energy. It's designed to empower and support neurodivergent individuals in understanding their unique experiences. For autistic men over 40, tracking hormones and energy can reveal patterns in mood and physical well-being. This isn't about self-diagnosis, but about honoring your body's signals. Use this tracker daily or weekly to gain insights. Tip: consult a physician about hormone testing. This tracker aids in articulating your experiences clearly, ensuring you receive the best possible care and understanding from healthcare professionals. Keep track of your hormone testing appointments. Record the date, doctor, and results to maintain a comprehensive overview of your health journey and facilitate informed discussions with your healthcare provider. Document your observations without judgment. This practice encourages self-awareness and helps identify patterns in your experiences, providing valuable insights into your mental and physical health. The hormone tracker allows you to monitor various symptoms such as fatigue, mood swings, and libido changes. By tracking these over time, you can better understand your body's rhythms and needs. Use the mood tracker to assess your emotional state daily. Rate your mood from 1 to 5, both in the morning and evening, to identify trends and triggers that affect your emotional well-being. The sleep tracker helps you log hours of sleep and energy levels. Understanding your sleep patterns can lead to improved rest and overall health, enhancing your daily energy and productivity. Brain fog awareness is crucial for managing cognitive clarity. Use this tool to jot down random thoughts, to-do lists, and important reminders, helping you stay organized and focused. The sensory tracker is designed to help you identify and manage sensory issues. Document discomforts and solutions to create a more comfortable and accommodating environment for yourself. Weekly check-in. Reflect on your week to connect the dots in your experiences. This practice supports self-awareness and personal growth, helping you better understand and support your needs. Reflection prompts guide you in exploring changes in your body and mind. Consider what supported your energy and identify any stressors. Use these insights to inform discussions with healthcare providers. Remember, you're not broken. This journey is about learning to live in a way that supports you. Healing is ongoing, and you can always start anew. Use this guide whenever you need support. Next steps: follow, subscribe, and support for more life-changing content. Empower yourself daily with exclusive content for community members. Invest in your well-being. You're worth it.